Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I installed this wig. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to like this video. Let's get it to 500 likes. Comment below if you have any questions, and also subscribe. But I'm gonna just give you guys a quick review about this hair. This is a VSHOW Hair. If you want to check out their hair, check out the description box below for more information about the hair. This hair is Malaysian Straight. I ended up using about 2.5 bundles and the frontal because I didn't want it to be like too thick and big on my head because my head is not that big to begin with. As for the softness of the hair, it is extremely soft. If you guys could literally feel it through the screen, my hands are slipping through this hair. The hair is so soft. It's no frizzing, as you can see. The hair did not have a smell. Their customer service was great. You know, they were very polite, very kind, and the hair came in within about 3 days. I don't really have any complaints. The knots bleached perfect to my skin, and the frontal looks very realistic. It literally looks like it's my scalp. So I really love that about this hair. So far I don't have any cons about this hair. The hair is true to length. You know, if you order 24 inches you will receive 24-inch bundles. I guess the only thing I would say is that the bundles aren't that thick, the bundles that they give you, but I'm assuming it's because this is really long hair, and the longer the bundles, the shorter the bundles that they send you. But yeah, basically that is pretty much it about this hair. I don't really have anything negative to say about it. I really love this hair so far, and you know, I can't wait to do different things with it. I probably will curl it or something and make a video on that. We'll see. But you know, it has a lot of body. Let me also show you guys how it looks in the back. See how it moves? It's not stiff. And this is how long it is. So, mind you, I am 5'4". The hair stops right here on me, on my hips. Oop. So, yeah, that is my quick review on the hair. I want to say first, thank you to all the people that are subscribed to my channel and people that keep subscribing and sharing my videos. I really appreciate it. I hope this video is helpful with people that don't know how to pluck their wigs and install it. When you watch the video, I recorded one clip last night and then I'm recording the other part today because I ran out of memory, so I had to like continue on the video today. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so now it's time to install the wig. So basically what I'm doing is I'm trying to size the wig so I can see where I want to set it and where I want the middle part to sit and everything like that. So when you apply your wig, just try to make sure you get that perfect fit before you start cutting the lace. Also guys, when I was creating this wig, I was using a new mannequin head that I had never used before. It wasn't exactly my head size, so if you have to cut off some of the frontal because the wig is a little too big, that is okay. So as I'm cutting in a zigzag motion. Do not cut the frontal straight because it'll look fake. You have to cut it in like a zigzag motion so it can look more natural. Okay, so now we are going to apply the glue. I use Got2b glue. As you can see, I've used up a lot of the Got2b glue. I apply it on my forehead because I don't want my hairline to go missing because of the glue. And basically that's what I'm doing, just applying the Got2b glue. And I actually have not tried any other types of glue, but I heard like Bold Hold is good and other types, but so far Got2b glue has been working for me, so that's what I'm sticking with. But maybe I will try the Bold Hold glue soon and let you guys know what I think about it. I'm also going to be using the Got2b glue freeze spray. I find it really effective when you use both of these together. It's a really strong hold. So basically I'm just going to spray the freeze spray on my forehead as well as, you know, having the Got2b glued already on my forehead. And I just basically put the two together because it's really effective that way. And you're going to let the glue and the hairspray dry, give it some time. And now I'm going to start pressing the frontal onto my forehead. I use a rat tail comb to, you know, line it up and get it perfect. Alright, so this is where the camera cut off, so you're gonna see me in a new setting in my room. I slept with a hair tie on, and this is how it looked like when I woke up. And now I'm just using some mousse to lay my hair. I use mousse instead of glue because I just think that the mousse is a lot easier for me to like maneuver through my hair. It loosens up the hair, and I just think the glue is kind of messy and sticky. So I just lay my baby hairs. I don't like to add too much baby hairs, but you know, I just add the little bit of baby hairs that I want to add, so that way, you know, I can add my own little flavor. Okay, ignore that I just even said flavor, but I add my own little zhuzh to it. So that's what I'm doing, trying to get the baby hairs. You know, what is your frontal without the baby hairs? But don't overdo it with the baby hairs, guys. Alright, now I'm running the brush through my hair on the top just in case there's any flyaways, and that's it, guys. Okay guys, so that is how you install your wig. It should look like this. That's pretty much all I do. I basically put the Got2b glue, spray the Got2b glue hairspray, and then just, you know, tie that hair tie on my head for like a few minutes, and then voila, lay the baby hairs, and you got yourself a nice little frontal going on there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment below if you have any questions, like the video, share the video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.